look no further to my do-it-yourself tissue label idea that I made for my wedding day. By the end of this video, you will see how I made these custom tissue stickers and use this guide to make your own. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Vanis, and I am an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, which is a custom e-design organizing service. If you're planning your wedding or just looking for a creative do-it-yourself project, I'm going to show you how I made these adorable do-it-yourself wedding tissue labels for my ceremony. They were a hit at our wedding, and the best part is it's super affordable and it didn't take much time to create. Now you might be wondering if you need tissues at a wedding ceremony. Well, trust me, those happy tears will come and you'll be glad that you were prepared. When I was planning my wedding, I wanted to add a personal touch to everything. And tissues for my guests were one of these small but meaningful details. I found inspiration for these custom tissue labels on one of my favorite websites, Pinterest, of course. Step 1, create a design on Canva. Alright, so let's get into how I actually made these. First off, I use Canva, which is my go-to for anything design related. I love that you can create anything on there, and for these tissue labels, I customized the design to fit Kleenex pocket tissues. I used Canva's custom size option and I entered the measurements for the tissue packets I was using, but you can also measure your own if you're using something different. I chose my wedding colors as the inspiration for the design, and then for the fonts I went with the Mozart and Brittany. I'm probably saying those wrong, which gave it a clean but elegant look. And of course, I signed it off with our names, making it feel extra personal and special. Step 2, download and assemble in Word. Once I had the design ready, I downloaded it as a JPEG file. From there, I opened it on Word, which is perfect for arranging multiple designs on one page. I love this step because it helps me be efficient. I try to maximize my paper usage so I can fit as many designs as possible on one page. It's a small thing, but it helps me save a bit of time and money. Next, step 3, print on sticker paper. So I printed out my designs on sticker paper. I used Avery sticker paper that I grabbed from Amazon, and let me tell you, it made this step so much easier. I was able to fit about 6 labels per sheet, which is perfect for the amount of tissues I needed for the ceremony. If you don't have like a Cricut or Silhouette machine like me, don't worry, this is simple, and you just have to print and you're good to go. Okay. Step 4, peel and stick. Here's the fun part. After printing, I simply cut each label out using scissors. If you have a cutting machine, it will save a bit of time, but honestly, this part is really simple. You can do manually. I use dollar store facial tissues for my guests, super affordable, and then you just peel the stickers off and place them on the front of each tissue package. I was careful not to place a sticker on the back because I did not want to block the opening where the tissues came out. But other than that, it was just a matter of sticking them on and repeating the process until I had enough for every guest. These tissue labels were a huge hit at our wedding. At first, my uncle didn't quite understand why I'd put tissues on every chair, but when the tears started flowing, he totally got it. Instead of using plain store-bought tissues, these custom tissue labels added such a personal touch to our ceremony, and they were definitely needed. If you're planning your own wedding or even thinking of a cute do-it-yourself for another event, I highly recommend making these custom tissue labels. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think of these do-it-yourself tissue labels? Drop your thoughts in the comments below this video. And if you love this idea, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who might be planning their own big day. I will see you at the next video.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!